Total internal reflection. This is very important topic of this chapter. The definition for this is the phenomena of reflection of light in a denser medium into a denser medium from an interface of denser medium and rarer medium. So exactly what is that? Total internal reflection is the phenomena in which the light bends in the same medium, and the essential condition is that light should enters from denser medium and should go to the rarer medium. Okay, so what is the essential condition? Essential condition is light should travel from denser to rarer medium, denser to rarer medium, rarer medium, right? When the light enters from denser to rarer medium at some particular angle, it get reflected back in the same medium. Okay, then that phenomena is known as the total internal reflection, and the angle at which it turns back into the same medium is known as critical angle, that we will discuss in detail later on. So basically two basic conditions, essential conditions are that light should goes from denser to rarer medium, and second, the angle of incidence in denser medium, the angle of incidence in denser medium should be greater than the critical angle for the pair of media. Now let us firstly understand what is the total internal reflection, pair of media. Okay, now let us consider we are having this interface which is separating two media. Here it is air and here it is denser medium. Now let us consider an object O is lying in the denser medium and a ray is incident normally to the interface, will go straight as it will not suffer any refraction, right? Now when it is incident at some angle at this point, since it is going from denser to rarer medium, so it will bend away from the normal, right? This is the angle of incidence. Now if I increase the angle of incidence again, the angle of refraction in the rarer medium will also increase. Now at particular angle of incidence, when the ray bend and move along the interface, then that angle is known as critical angle. Okay, so we can say that the angle of incidence for which the angle of refraction in rarer medium becomes 90 degree is known as critical angle. Now if we increase the angle of incidence greater than the critical angle, in this case the naturally the angle of refraction will also increase and the ray will bend in the same medium, and we can say in that situation that total internal reflection has occurred. So what should be the essential condition? Firstly, the light should go from denser to rarer medium, and second, the angle of incidence should be greater than the critical angle for the pair of media. So from here we can also define total internal reflection as the phenomena of bending of light in the same medium, denser medium, when light is incident at an angle greater than the critical angle. Now let's do the relation between the critical angle and refractive index. Relation between refractive index mu and critical angle C. Now we know that when I is equal to C, I is equal to critical angle, in that case angle of refraction is equal to 90 degree. Now we know by the Snell's law, if we apply the Snell's law at this point C, in that case mu B, suppose B is the denser medium, mu B sine C is equal to mu A into sine R. Now mu B sine C is equal to mu A into sine of 90 degree, which is equal to 1. So accordingly we can write that mu B by mu A is equal to 1 by sine C, which is equal to mu A to B. So this is the relation between the refractive index and the critical angle. Also we know that mu is equal to lambda naught by lambda m. So mu is equal to 1 by sine C. So we can write this as 1 by sine C, or we can write sine C is equal to lambda m by lambda naught. So this shows that the critical angle depends upon the wavelength of light. Since for red light lambda r is greater than lambda nu, so accordingly the critical angle for the red color will be more than the critical angle for the violet color. This is also very important relation, showing that why different colors have different critical angle for a given medium. So this is again one of the important relation, that is relation between the critical angle and refractive index, and representing the variation of critical angle for different colors.